Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. And today it's time for the workshop Fashion to the Max. What is Fashion to the Max? Well, it's literally everything that we normally combine in different workshops is all jam-packed into this one workshop. So everything is possible. We can use smoke, we can use gels, we can use small sets. It's literally whatever the students want to do. That's what we're going to do today. Our model for today is Nadine, so we're going to have some crazy styling. We already have a great idea with old cameras, so make sure to watch out for that one. It's just going to be an awesome day, but it's also going to be a little bit of a sad workshop for me, because today is the final workshop. If everything goes as planned with the post, that we're actually going to be shooting with allround. Now, yesterday I already announced that I will be switching from allround to Hensel as a new Hensel ambassador. Now, I got a lot of emails from you guys like, hey Frank, what's going on? Why do you do this? Now, if there are any questions about this and I don't explain it correctly now, just leave comments below, because I want to be very, very clear about this. There's absolutely no problem between allround and me. I still like the brand. They make beautiful, beautiful products, beautiful modifiers. And let's be honest, I spent, I think, over 10 years promoting their gear and being one of their ambassadors and being on many, many trade shows, working a lot with those guys. And I consider the whole Whittle family, Photo Flits, everybody, the Mac group, who now actually does it in America, as close personal friends. And nothing will change, at least I hope. But sometimes you need a little bit more, and you need a little bit of a challenge. And, well, let me put it this way. When you look at the products that Hensel brings out, they fit my style, in my opinion, way better. Like yesterday we worked with the Porties. If you see how easy we can change the batteries, you can have the grip on it, so you can easily transport it from one location to the other. We have 1200 watts. Look at the Forest that's coming out. One strobe that you can actually use in the studio with an AC pack, go outside and use the batteries. And it's just insanely fast. You can freeze motion a lot better than I was used to. And they're just built like a tank, and we do a lot of workshops on location. So I'm really looking forward to working more with Hensel. And again, no bad words about allround. They're a great brand, and we really, really see them as close personal friends. But again, sometimes you need new challenges, and with Hensel we can do a lot more with education. We can hopefully do a lot more with workshops and trade shows. So I'm really, really looking forward to working with Hensel in the future. It's going to be awesome. We're going to create some new instructional videos for them, showing all the gear, showing of course the modifiers which I like, and also some stuff what you probably don't expect yet, but watch out for that, it's coming. Okay guys, so if you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button. It's time for the workshop, so join us behind the scenes, behind the closed doors, for the Fashion to the Max workshop. And again, if you have any questions, leave comments below. Here we go.
You always dreamed of making it big in your town. People had a certain walk and a certain frown, steady and heavy, or younger than 20. Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. We'll teach you to blush and how to get your way. Useful tricks. Once you get the taste of it, you lay all them bricks higher and higher. You'll reach your desire. Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late.
That was the workshop for today. Now you know when a stylist has been in your studio. Look at this. I hope it shows up on the video. You see that? All those sparkles. Yeah. You know when you shoot your Christmas card and 10 years later you still find those sparkles? Probably find these also 10 years from now. Hey guys, that was today's episode of Behind the Closed Doors. I hope you liked what you saw. And of course you want to see the results, right? So here we go.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show. And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show. And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows strong.
Okay guys, I hope you liked those results. I'm going home now and have a little bit of a weekend. But first, of course, I have to edit the vlog for you guys and still retouch the images from today, so it's gonna be pretty busy. But let's be honest, what's busy if you do what you love, right? Trust me, I absolutely love what I do. So, again, if you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button because we really like that. Most of all, tell other people about our channel so we can grow the channel. Oh, and by the way, if you really want to support us and get a lot of cool stuff like behind the scenes images, portfolio reviews and whatnot more, join us on Patreon. I will leave the link below. This is the final goodbye for this week. See you again next week for other episodes of Behind the Closed Doors and maybe some digital classroom stuff. We'll see.